So today I'm actually going to finally finish off this canopy. So it's all tacked up. So I'll start welding it all out, and then for this week I will finish off this dog box part, which is just a 500 dog box there. And this part will be my sealed canopy, but I won't be doing that just yet. So as you can see, I'm just real staggering my welds. Just Ali has a real tendency to warp when you get it too hot, so just do welds in random spots. Hopefully it stays pretty straight. No one in there.
What was the other one you said?
Nothing there. Canopy's all welded, so I got all the frame done. Now, for the sheets, what I'm going to do is just use some 1.6 Ali, which I'll cut and weld to it. That's it on there. It's going to use 1.6 because it's already a 3mm welded frame, and all I'm doing is sheeting it really. So the sheets aren't really for structural; it's just there to box it in. That's the divider between the dog box and my sealed canopy. I've still got some stiffeners just to put in uprights here, just to stop that noise basically. So a bit carried away and just sort of built it without filming, but that's it for now. So that's only temporary for now. I'll put doors on it tomorrow, but I've just got checker here. That's just Sikaflex and riveted on, so it doesn't need to be sealed. That's the 1.6 sheet. That's also sickered and riveted on. I went 1.6 there because once this is a canopy, this bottom is actually just pretty much keep dust out. There's nothing gonna be sitting on it. I have drawers in there, so that's no point that being 3mm and heavy. It's just to keep dust out. But yeah, I've just got it bolted down with just some bolts through there. It's got 4 M10s holding it down. It's just bolted in. I don't like the latch style. I reckon they're weak. So it's time to fab some doors up for in my dog box. Just got me some 25 by 25 square 3mm alley, and I'll just make a basic door frame and just put bars across it. It's only to keep the dogs in really. Ready, going.
Right.
Hopefully that works. Follow. Too much. Too much. Well. Alright, go test that. Oh, that is perfect. Let's stop it.
What's the strap for?
Chuck it here. So I've used the strap to pull the angle together. So with my little jig, you can see the angle. I'll just pull it in until it lines up perfect, and I'll tack it. So I just had to trim off a bit of this bit that sits over there, just for the thickness of that 3mm alley. Just the screw wasn't long enough if I had left it. Right, so I got this door in, but I need a stopper. But I need a stopper at the bottom, so it's a bit of tube will go there, or weld it just about there. I'll weld that to the floor, and then this will hit it, and the little latch will go behind it and hold the door shut, just like the other side. So I got one door done. See up here, got my hinge. Down here, a little stopper. And what I've done is I've used those push locks to hold it shut. Just done. So that's pretty much how it's going to be. So you got to keep the dogs in, / bit of dirty gear. You have to put gas struts on it too, but there will be gas struts on it. So just doing the gas struts at the moment. I've finished this side, so I'll show you how I've done it. So it's just little bits of 25mm. I've just welded on there with a hole. And it's got big 300. It's got 300 Newton meter struts on it for now, which is pretty strong. But at least it can lift them up. It's good, bud. Not impressed, but dog box is done. Of course, you gotta test it out, put your dog in it. And next on the canopy build will be the sealed section, so I'll do that later on. I only want the dog box done for now so I can actually use it, but this is all next, fully sealed canopy.